How to download and install RedNote app. Let's get started. Launch your Play Store or App Store. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now click on this magnifying glass icon given at the bottom right. Now at the very top you're gonna see the search box. Over there type in the app name RedNote and then search for it. With that app will appear. The app is gonna appear in the Chinese language. Now go ahead and click on the option of install or get. You might be prompted to use your Face ID or type in the passcode. After you complete that, the app will start downloading. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of its download process, launch it and then you are able to use it. So this is how you can easily download and install RedNote app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.